is Apple Fell and welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog guys, I will be showing you how I do this DIY classic milk tea. Yeah, DIY siya guys because I will be the one to make my own classic milk tea at home. Pero nag-order lang ako ng mga ingredients sa bubble tea shop. So yeah, I received this package yesterday but I was working, so ngayon natin siya gagawin. So the first item on the box is the recyclable straw. It's made of steel and the color is gold. Ang cute niya guys, sa personal. Tapos meron pa siyang pouch na velvet at matibay siya guys. So cute. And the other one is the tea leaves. Loose tea leaves. Yan yung gagamitin natin. And the second one is the coconut jelly because my husband Teddy don't like the buba or yung sago. Ayun niya. And this is the creamer, non-fat creamer, or if you don't have this creamer, then you can use the milk. And that one is the simple syrup. It's only white sugar dissolved in a warm water. So naging syrup siya. And what's this? Wow! Hello! There is ano yan, tumbler or a cute bottle. Wala yan sa sa picture nung set na binili kong ingredients. And ang cute ng bag, oh, it says don't touch, this is my bottle. Ang cute niya. Kulay blue. Yay! May bago akong tumbler. So next is, where's the instruction? I was looking for the instruction this time. And I saw this small paper here. So it is written here guys, the website of the bubble tea shop. And you can go there and sign in to watch the tutorials on how to do the milk tea. So for instructions, it says here for instructions on how to make your bubble tea sets, just visit their website. So these are all the ingredients inside the box guys. So this is the menu guys I saw in the website, and they have branches in Richmond, Robson, and Olympic Village in Vancouver. I am excited to taste this guys kasi na-miss ko talaga ang milk tea. Mag 1 month na hindi na ako nakainom ng milk tea simula nung lockdown. So here it is guys. Let's taste it. It tastes good guys. Same pa rin siya ng taste nung nabibili natin sa coffee shop. Ayan, picture. Malapit ko nang maubos guys. And nagustuhan din ng asawa ko. Nandito siya sa tabi ko. I'm about to close the vlog and nagulat yung asawa ko kasi bigla akong nagsalita. So thank you for watching guys. I hope you enjoy this video and please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. Bye.